Howdy, Brian here. Everyone should have a bucket list of places to go before you die. Here are 10 more places in the U.S. to possibly add to yours. Number 10 on the list is Thor's Well. Located outside of Yachats, Oregon, otherwise known as the drain pipe of the Pacific, it seems to drain the ocean away after each wave. You can view Thor's Well from the parking lot right off of US Highway 101, or you can take a half-mile loop hike across old volcanic rocks to get an up-close view at this popular stop. Number 9 is Mendenhall Glacier Caves, located about 12 miles from Juneau, Alaska. Only accessible by canoe or kayak trip to get to the edge of the ice, you can then trek along the glacier and explore the ever-changing caves. But be sure to go along with a qualified guide and have the proper equipment for your safety. Next up, we have number 8, Barrow, Alaska, the northernmost point in the United States. Number 7 is Kitch-iti-Kipi, located in Michigan's Upper Peninsula in Palms Brook State Park. It is the largest freshwater spring in Michigan with an average water temperature of 45 degrees Fahrenheit. From here, we head south to the southernmost point in the U.S., Key West, Florida. But it is only the continental United States' most southern point. To get to the real southernmost point in the U.S., number 5 on our list, you'll have to visit Kauai on the Big Island of Hawaii. Number 5 is Grand Teton National Park in Wyoming. It seems obvious being in a national park, but I remember driving through leaving from Yellowstone, and I was amazed at how magnificent the mountains were on the drive. It is definitely a place I would like to go back and visit. Number 4 is Anaruby Falls, located near Helen, Georgia. The 154-foot falls are easily accessible by a paved trail to a wooden observation deck. Number 3 on the list is Watkins Glen State Park, located in Watkins, Glen, New York. The 2-mile hike will take you through a series of gorges past 19 waterfalls. Before we get to number 2, if you like seeing unique places to travel to, go ahead and boot the like button and leave a comment where you would like to see on your list. For number 2 on the list, we head out west to Mono Lake, California, which is one of the oldest lakes in North America at over 1 million years old. The lake covers approximately 66 square miles and has no outlet. The tufa towers are calcium carbonate spires formed by the interaction of the freshwater springs and the alkaline lake water. For bird watchers, the lake provides an excellent place to view between 1 to 2 million birds that stop to rest and feed on their yearly migrations. And finally, number 1 on this list is Bodhi Ghost Town, located not very far from our number 2 spot, Mono Lake. I actually drove over Tioga Pass from Yosemite and visited both the lake and the ghost town when I was in my early 20s. Bodhi Ghost Town has been considered a ghost town since the early 1900s, and the last people moved out of the area in the early 1940s. The town was originally founded by William Bodie, who discovered a small amount of gold in the area, and it became a boom town shortly thereafter when a major pay streak was discovered. The Bodhi State Historic Park is now being preserved in a state of perpetual arrested decay, and you can still see things pretty much as they have been since it was abandoned, with items still visible through the general store windows. I really do appreciate your support on the channel, so if you enjoyed this quick trip of places to see in the US, please subscribe and hit the like button. It helps me know what you like to see, so please take a moment and leave a comment telling me where you want to go next.